Okay, trying something different, but I gotta be careful with these seasonings because I'm kind of just throwing seasonings together. And let's just see how this comes out. Okay, it looks a little crazy now. These are my vegetables. This is my cornstarch. This is my sazon, some butter, and a lot of seasonings. I'm just gonna mix it around a little bit before I add my chicken broth. So they say it's a roux. It's gravy roux. I don't know. This is a roux. It's coming along to be a roux, I guess. All right, so I'm letting this simmer to get thick, or thicker. I added the rest of my seasonings to it, and I actually seasoned the shrimp with some Creole seasonings already, so that should be it. Added my spinach, and I'm gonna let that cook a little bit down in that little sauce. Feeling a little bougie with my little spoon thingy here. I don't know what this is. Oh, damn it. I clean my stove before I'm done. Look at my little spoon thingy. Put the little thing there for bougie. So I'm adding my shrimp, but I turned my, the stove off. It's not cooking anymore. The shrimp just sit and cook. So it doesn't overcook. But I added my shrimp. So it's supposed to be shrimp stew. Little shrimp and spinach stew, but there it is.